Molweni namkelekile nonke kweziChisebe Entertainment guys ezisematheni. Currently uShembe has once again done it once again onyakeni guys. Usoloko if kuzoba khona umtshato ke wakwaShembe siyazi into ezothethisa. Unfortunately or fortunately for Philani and Asanda, the spotlight is currently on them, and ke abantu abaninzi bayababaza bakhala ke ngo-Asanda uba uAsanda hayibo she looks pretty young to actually be consenting to umtshato. As a result guys, ndiyabona on social media abantu abacawa kwaShembe abayithandi lento ba each and every time mhlawumbe kukhona umuntu otshatayo then ke kublame abazali kuthiwe baphi abazali balomntwana okanye abazali balomntwana balambile to such an extent that sebengaze batshatisa umntwana wabo. Do they need money? What is going on? But ke khona ke abantu bakwaShembe that have come forward bayachaza into ba guys abafoswa if mhlawumbi utata comes forward ezocela someone's hand in marriage and umntu oyintombazana, for example Asanda, if yena ebengafuni then ke nothing was going to be done after that. No marriage was going to be concluded if yena uAsa akafuni. Furthermore khona ke nabatsho into ba if one of the parents but no, they do not consent to umtshato, then umtshato does not continue. There is no conclusion of any marriage. So makiyeke ukusoloko kuthiwa umntwana mhlawumbi in this case Asanda ufosiwe. So the reason get a trend of Asanda, I'm sure most of you nambona, she has a baby face. Baby girl looks beautiful and ungathi mncinci. So people were saying she's 18 years old. Khona again abantu who know her personally, who claim to know her personally, because guys so that we confirm it into your social media. I understand they came to know her personally by actually indoba no Uasa is 21 years old and they have come to bash the circulating rumors indoba uqeba ukubhala ama-final exams but no una 21 and uyi degree holder yaphi yase-DUT, even notata wakwakhe kuthiwa uyi-degree holder yase-UniZulu. So bobabini bafundile. And also people are complaining ntoba why are you guys complaining, because it's not like uAsanda utshatela ekhehleni. Alright lo bhuti like is of the same age, you understand? So why are people coming here to complain? Nifuna uAsa agqibele enjengani ezalela different men, eyotywa ehamba amathavern ehamba amaclubs etshintshanisa amadoda. Is that what you really want for Asanda? These are some of the questions again ezibuzwa ngabantu who are saying they are against uAsanda getting married to ke uPhilani. So yeah guys, again nazo indaba zehora, your thoughts ndiyacela masike engageni and nizonibona shortly. Bye guys.